most famous physical therapist on the internet.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
We're the
therapist.
most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
You want great posture?
I do, Bob.
All right, great posture that people would admire.
Absolutely, Bob.
Yeah.
I do want that.
Then put this on your wall, and we're going to show you just in a
All
second
right.
what we're talking about. By the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, you always want to join us on our social media channels because we're giving something away every week.
Right.
Right now, we're in transition, so we'll be starting to give away something tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yeah. But go to bobandbrad.com and you go to the giveaway section. You can see what we gave away this week and what next week. And you can also, on Facebook tomorrow sometime,
Right.
it'll be pinned to the top of the page.
Check it out.
So, yep, check it out. So this is a very simple video. Pretty much everybody I know, Brad, battles with bad posture. I mean, it's just gravity's doing its thing, right? So
Gravity and everything we do, like watch TV, cell phone, sit in chairs that are not
made for you,
right?
and,
Exactly.
or even sitting in the car. I mean, all these things are pulling you over. So what you end up with quite often is you end up with a forward head, your rounded shoulders. Yeah, maybe I'll just demonstrate on you, Brad. So
of
forward
course.
head, rounded shoulders. They're kind of rounded, tight chest. This back here becomes real stiff, and there's no movement there. And you start getting knots in these areas here. You can get upper and low back pain. You can get neck pain. You can also show the thing that happens with your shoulders, Brad.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
how you have good posture and bad posture.
The mechanics of the shoulder
Yeah.
greatly depend on posture. If you have rounded forward shoulders and you lift your arm up, you can see I can get about to this level, but if I get my shoulders back with good posture, it really works well. And the mechanics of the shoulder, the impingement issues,
Right.
really-
If you keep doing it and you got bad posture, you keep doing this, you're going to wear out the tendons on there, and you're going to
exactly, Bob.
you get a rotator cuff tear.
I think they believe us.
So, all right. So the simple device. This is the Wall Anchor. We've mentioned this many times. Brad and I did invent this,
Right.
and along with Jay Heisel, can't
Sure.
forget about him.
Because there was nothing out there, and it's such a nice thing to have. We just wanted to have
Yeah,
them.
it's just this is a clip, and now this looks like a simple device, but this actually can hold 800 pounds of pressure
Right.
on the ends.
Right.
On the middle, we couldn't even get. It broke our machine. I mean, it was like 900 plus pounds.
Didn't break it, Bob.
Well, whatever.
It maxed it out.
Maxed it out. Sorry. So, but what do you need to put? You get 2 screws with each one of these anchors. And you have to go, it's very important that you put it into a stud.
Wooden stud behind it. It must.
And I'll talk more about that in just a second, Brad. What I like about this, though, is you can put this on nearly any wall. You can have this in your bedroom, or you can have it in your office. Then you got to buy the bands separately, the
Right.
exercise tubing. But what happens is you can go buy this, and my wife and I do this every morning. She has hers set up. I have mine set up.
You got it in your bedroom, don't you?
I have one in my bedroom. She has one downstairs, actually,
okay,
too.
sure.
And I just saw her this morning. She goes by it, and she grabs it, and she just does her posture exercises real quick. And you can do like 3 different levels. The best one to do is, a lot of times people like doing this one because it's strengthening the muscles between the shoulder
there, yeah.
blades.
Why don't you go this way a little bit, Bob?
Oh,
so-
sure.
Actually, I should do it because I got these stripes, and you can see the movement on
Sure.
the shoulders, and then you can point that out.
Sure. Yeah, look how the stripes are coming together. That's a good point, Brad. So you want to go this way a little more,
Oh,
Brad?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. So, and you can go up, you can go higher, yep, like that. You get in some different muscles, upper and lower trapezius.
And boy, you can feel this.
Yep, and you can go lower.
You can tell those muscles back there are really. The reason we go up, middle, and lower, so that you work that upper trap, middle trap, and lower trap, those really critical postural muscles.
So this is such a simple thing to do. You can rip these off in less than a minute.
Yep.
Come home at night, rip off some more.
Usually 10 to 15 is a good number.
Yeah, and this is an absolute true story. My wife went back to work. She was, ran the house for many years with our children. And when she went back to work, she started working on a computer, a laptop, and her posture deteriorated rapidly.
Yeah.
And so we worked on getting her set up better, but all I had her start doing is these.
Yeah.
And she got straightened right up.
Sure.
It just really worked out great. Now you're going to show some of the ways to hook this up, right?
Right.
Brad?
And if you're a bigger, stronger person, you can get more resistance. You can go up like I got 3 bands on here, and it works real well. It's very easy just to hook them up, and you're done and ready to go. Now this one I'm going to work down like this to get those lower traps. Was there anything else that you had in mind, Bob?
The other thing I was going to mention is this can become your whole workout set. I mean,
Sure.
just not just posture. My wife likes doing these, Brad. I'm going to flip around
Oh
here.
yeah,
She likes, now she's shorter than I am, but I'm just going to kneel down like this.
right.
And she loves doing these, pulling down for the lats and also getting underneath the arms here, the triceps.
Sure.
And she said this one exercise, she doesn't have to go to the gym anymore.
Right.
That's how she wanted to get those. You know, I mean, she
Yeah,
didn't want the flab
that's
here. She wanted to get under here. She wanted to
Yep.
make sure that was being worked out. But you can do curls. You can do triceps. You can do
Right.
chest.
You can
So,
bring it all the way over to here. This is one of my favorite ones. Is I'm working the chest and the core with a little rotation. It's fun, you know. If you're a thrower, you can work some nice rotator cuff exercises.
Yeah, we are deviating away from the posture.
Oh,
thing, but
that's sorry,
we
yeah.
do want to let you know. So, you know, we got a deal for you here right now, Brad. So, if you normally buy it on Amazon, you get 3 of these.
Right.
You get 3, plus you get the 2 screws with each one. But if you buy it from our website, we're going to throw an extra clip with
Right.
an extra clip with 2 screws. So you're going to actually get 4. And the idea is you can have multiple levels. Then you can maybe even set up 2 bands on
Right.
one
Or
end of the-
different levels. Like you have one in the bedroom, one downstairs,
Right.
or in the office.
And also, you know, a lot of times if you do have people of different heights,
Right.
you know, you can go ahead and so we'll put a
Accommodate.
link down below for our website. If you want to go ahead and purchase it, you got to bring your credit card out. It's not like Amazon where you can just push the button and then it's
Bob, it's not a big deal. You're getting a good product for it.
all right. Well,
Does
thanks
this sound
everybody.
like what an infomercial?
It was an info commercial, but to be honest, it is for me it's the best way to strengthen for your posture.
Yeah,
I mean,
it is.
it
There's
really-
no doubt about it, and it's convenient.
Yep. So thanks for watching.